Morning feels different here, softer, like the day is not chasing me. Look at the grass, even the water moves slowly.
Nature wakes up without stress.
I like walking alone for a moment.
Take your time, I'm close.
My hands feel light today.
Because you're not holding worry.
The birds don't rush anywhere.
They trust the day.
The sky looks wide and open.
So does your mind right now.
Clouds just move and change.
Without trying to be perfect.
The wind feels gentle.
It doesn't push, it guides.
I can really breathe again.
That's a good sign.
I don't want to move.
Then stay still. Good morning.
I didn't hear you come. I was lost in the quiet.
That's a good place to be.
I feel peaceful.
You look peaceful.
We don't need to talk.
Silence is enough.
The sun feels warm already.
Let it stay with you.
This path feels calm.
It doesn't rush us.
Walking beside you feels safe.
You don't walk alone anymore.
No plans, no pressure.
Just steps.
I hear every step.
That's being present.
The leaves sound soft.
Free music.
Everything feels balanced.
You needed balance.
The light keeps finding us.
Like hope.
This tree feels strong.
It's been standing for years.
I feel its rough skin.
Real things ground us.
I want to remember this.
You will.
Thank you for waiting.
Always.
Birds feel closer here.
Because we slowed down.
The forest feels endless.
And calm.
Silence doesn't scare me now.
You made peace with it.
I feel lighter.
That's progress.
The water is still again.
Like your thoughts.
I can see everything clearly.
Stillness helps.
The trees look calm.
They don't rush to grow.
I see myself there.
What do you see?
Someone quieter.
Someone real.
When the water moves, the picture changes.
Just like life.
That's okay now.
Change is natural.
I like the distance.
Comfortable space.
I don't feel alone.
You're not.
Sitting feels enough.
You don't need more.
My body feels calm.
Your mind too.
The wind moves gently.
Nothing forced.
I like watching it.
It teaches patience.
I can wait.
That's growth.
I want to feel the ground.
Go ahead.
The grass feels cold.
And real.
It wakes me up.
In a good way.
I'm smiling again.
Naturally.
You see me.
I always did.
My body feels free.
You let go.
Stretching feels good.
No tension.
The sky feels open.
So are you.
I feel centered.
Grounded.
I'm here.
Fully.
I don't need to rush back.
Not today.
Thank you for staying.
Always.
This silence is warm.
Shared silence.
I like this energy.
Keep it.
I'm letting go. This feels comfortable.
You look at ease.
My hands aren't tight anymore.
No pressure.
I don't feel watched.
No expectations.
You don't say much.
You don't need words.
Time feels slow.
That's healing.
I'm not thinking ahead.
That's okay.
Leaves fall quietly.
Naturally.
My breath is steady.
Perfect rhythm.
No phone feels good.
Freedom.
No plans today.
Just living.
I hear everything.
Nature's voice.
I feel supported.
You are.
I can rest.
You deserve it.
You're smiling.
Because you're okay.
I accept this calm. The day is changing.
Slowly.
The light feels golden.
Like a soft ending.
I feel confident.
Quiet confidence.
Not loud, not forced.
Real.
Thank you for walking with me.
Always.
The forest feels alive.
And calm.
Peace doesn't disappear.
It waits.
I'll remember this.
You should.
I choose to stay calm.
One day at a time.